If you're looking for some easy, healthy recipes, look no further. These are the viral ones.
This might be a double
thumbs
thumbs down. The fire alarm is going off.
Stop wasting money on unhealthy store-bought wraps.
Welcome back to our kitchen. We are healthy girlies today, but let's just say we're always healthy because we make everything at home, so.
Everything's homemade, 0 calories.
Let's tackle the first one, a 2-ingredient wrap. Under this recipe, the comments are like mixed. Some people think it tastes like, and then other people say it's actually good.
We will find out.
Let's find out. We're gonna make a smaller portion. You chia seeds, in goes oats. Then you add water. This is what she doesn't show. She seasons it. It's in the comments. She seasons it with garlic, salt, and pepper.
Blitz it up.
I guess smooth. Okay, it's kind of looking smooth. It should look grainy. And then you just wanna let that sit for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I've transferred my wrap batter into here. We're gonna pour it in and cook it. Okay, well-oiled pan, pouring. Oh, she's so thick. Oh. I feel like it's gonna be a very fragile wrap, guys. Like, I don't know if it's gonna hold the shape.
It looks kind of soggy.
That's what I'm thinking. But don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. I added a little bit of water to my mixture to make it a little bit thinner to see if we get a better consistency, okay? I don't know if there was any improvement. After slaving away over the stove, we've got these lovely wraps. Look at them, guys. I know they look super appetizing. Keep in mind that a wrap isn't supposed to be the star of the show, right? It's just supposed to hold your ingredients. So we're gonna judge it by itself first, okay?
Cheers.
It's a bit
It's
mushy.
not bad. Like, there's flavor because I reckon we seasoned it, right?
Well seasoned, just is a bit mushy.
Yeah.
I think all those people that didn't like it, I don't think they read the caption and seasoned it and let it sit for 15 minutes.
Probably.
I think it's pretty easy to make. We'll hold our judgment until the next recipe because
We'll see if it actually wraps.
if it can actually wrap. If it's easy to make, can it actually hold the ingredients? You know what else is easy? This easy peasy dress. It's literally called the easy peasy dress from Halara, guys. Big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. You guys know I am a true Halara fangirl.
As a busy mum, I need outfits that make getting dressed easier, not another thing to think about. I don't want to be changing multiple times a day just to feel put together. I need one outfit that can go from mum duties, errands, filming, chasing the kids, and still feel cute and comfortable. And I feel like that's what Halara does really well. They design for real life, especially mum life, where you need your outfit to work overtime.
And just like my cooking skills, this dress has evolved over time thanks to feedback from their actual customers. My lovely model today, Zen, she's wearing the everyday activewear dress. This was the first viral activewear dress from Halara. People loved this dress, but they hated the fact that they couldn't go to the toilet without taking everything off and feeling vulnerable on the toilet. And so Halara listened and then they made this, the easy peasy back, so I could literally go to the toilet and have my dress on still.
You're not naked and vulnerable anymore.
That's what's different about Halara. They actually listened to customers' feedback. People wanted more sizing, so they expanded their range. You want more support for the girl? They worked on that too. And they're one of the few brands that have such an extensive color range. You can literally wear a different color dress every day of the month. For me, I love the built-in shorts with the pockets. They basically have the recipe for the perfect dress down packed thanks to the actual customers. Speaking of which, I do have one suggestion that Halara can make. We need this in cute print, floral prints, gingham. Give us some like different options. So if you've got feedback for them, you can join the Halara circle. I'll leave the link for you guys below. You can share what you want to see next and help shape and evolve their products. Plus you get perks for being part of the community. Okay, cute outfit, check. Next recipe. McDonald's that make it healthy.
Since McDonald's refused to bring back the chicken snack wraps, I've got you covered with an easy, healthy and much higher protein version that's easy to make and tastes even better. Start by cutting your chicken breast into strips, season it with salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika and pepper, then mix it together. Now on a plate, add cornflakes with a dash of the same seasonings and crush it into small pieces. From here, dip each piece of chicken in egg and coat it in the cornflakes. This will make the exterior super crispy. Spray the chicken with cooking oil and air fry or bake it.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm more of a burger person than a wrap person, though this girl.
I'm a wrap girly.
Let's see if she approves. First, let's season our chicken. Salt, onion powder. He didn't put the measurements, but I'm just guessing. Let's just coat it well.
How raw the
Garlic,
chicken is.
paprika, and pepper. Peppa Pig. That's all I've been watching lately.
Peppa Pig.
Every parent out there, you know the struggle. Mix, mix, mix.
Get it nice and coated. Get those breasts nice and coated.
Well, didn't someone call it chicken boobies?
Yeah.
Get those chicken boobies nice and coated. They're definitely better than my boobies now. Post breastfeeding, guys. They're never the same after. Just comparing ours and his, ours is lacking.
Our breasts are lacking.
Our breasts are lacking. We need more. Season with the same seasonings.
Ooh, this is fun.
Oh yeah. Take it out on those cornflakes.
Yeah. Oh, I'm tired.
What a workout.
What a workout.
Dip the chicken into egg and then coat. Actually, this actually looks really good, like legit. I love that like we've just got one hand each and our other hand's just free.
Just
It's
free.
just like, this is what,
It's two-man job for this.
it's like couples that do everything together. That's us. Next, I'm gonna spritz it with oil and then I'm gonna bake it. You can also air fry it. I can't believe we made this. It looks so good.
Yeah.
Like, guys, we're gonna make one with the chia seed wrap just to compare because we need to know, will it hold up? And then, I'm sorry guys, I went ahead and bought store-bought wraps. At least this one's low in sugar and saturated fats. Let's add in our lettuce.
Cheese.
Use cheddar. Oh my gosh, oh my god, it looks so good.
Wrap it up.
Guys, we're gonna try the chia one first because I literally cannot let go of it without it breaking, I guess.
You take a
Me
bite.
bite, you bite,
Yeah.
okay.
Because I feel like the wrap is like side character.
I can't even taste the wrap, it's just basically the inside.
The chicken is really good.
The chicken is so good. The sauce is really good too. You know what? Now that we've had it in a wrap, if you're gonna eat it straight away, literally trying to be healthy, it works.
It works.
It works. We're just gonna love the store-bought one, aren't we? Oh, how? How can you replace this?
Oh, so much more wrappable.
So much easier to wrap. And guys, I'm just gonna be extra. I'm gonna actually toast this because you know, like when you get things from McDonald's, it's hot, right? Ours is cooled down. So good.
Store-bought wrap.
Store-bought wrap, girlies. Okay. Cheers. Oh god.
Actually, now that I taste this, the wrap kind of does make a difference.
And when you toast it again, it turns hot. It's actually really good. That chicken.
Yeah, that cereal trick for the coating, genius.
So well seasoned, gives that crunch, and it's healthy, right? This is a double thumbs.
Yeah.
This is a double thumbs up, yeah.
Definitely.
Maybe I am no longer a burger girl. Maybe I'm converted. I'm sorry, after eating this, I think I'm gonna have to go back to half a thumb for the
I'm gonna
wrap.
go back to side thumb.
Okay, so good. This is probably the easiest healthy dessert ever. You just need to chop some fruit up. She just like cuts them into little bits. Basically, you want them like a good size to wrap, right? Okay, so we're gonna do strawberries and blueberries. You need some rice paper, wet it, Greek yogurt, scoop, layer
Strawberries?
strawberries, another layer of yogurt. Pretty easy then, okay? Just fold it in and then fold it like a little pillow. Do blueberries, yogurt, wrap. Prettier,
prettier.
Okay, let's do one more with the strawberries. There's
we do a
more
mix?
strawberries. Yeah, we'll do a mix.
I feel like it'll be good.
But you know what? Because this is like unsweetened Greek yogurt.
Oh.
What if we do one with like a syrup, like maple syrup or something?
Yeah, you drizzle some honey on it or something.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's a bit too much, but okay.
Suddenly this is not healthy anymore.
Suddenly not healthy.
Prettier.
It's prettier. Moment of truth. Oh, there's
this
a
looks
little
pretty.
tear.
Let me
That
see.
actually looks pretty good. Pretty delicate. You want to use a thicker rice paper, okay, guys?
Ooh, I can't wait to try this.
Ooh.
They're like pillows.
Yeah. It still feels a little bit soft. It's not like icy or anything. It's still squishy. I'm gonna try the one that I created with the maple because I like mine a little bit
I'm
sweeter.
gonna do the blueberry.
Okay.
Cheers. Oh, it is a bit icy.
Oh, sour.
Oh, it's cold. You wanna try mine? I reckon you're gonna hate it because it's so sour.
Yeah, I already feel like this one's so sour, but I added maple syrup. Wait, let me go for another bite. That's so sour.
Try this one.
This would be so much better with sweetened Greek yogurt, like a flavor.
It's not too bad. But if you guys are not fans of like Greek yogurt or like sour yogurt in a sense, I reckon you swap it out.
Swap it out for a flavored sweetened version. But it's not bad, it's just very sour. I like the concept though. I think I will redo this again with a different yogurt because Lila will definitely not eat this.
I'm gonna put some sweeteners inside.
I'm gonna give it a 1.
I'm gonna do one too.
Here's a low carb, no sugar recipe.
Coming up with sugar-free and low-carb dinners that keep my husband's blood sugar stable, it's one of my daily struggles. That's why I love these savory and satisfying cabbage rolls. They're super easy and so delicious.
This one actually looks easy peasy. She puts in mushrooms, spring onions, and then minced chicken. And then you just season with soy sauce.
The easiest seasoning so far.
Oops. I'm gonna just let it cook and then we'll wrap it. Oops, joke's on us. Turns out there's a lot more seasoning in the caption. She used ginger powder, garlic powder, sesame oil, black pepper, and salt. Not just soy sauce.
Easiest seasoning so far.
I'm so sorry, the fire alarm is going off, but it's just a drill so we can remain calm and
Still roll. Keep rolling.
let's keep rolling. Now we're just going to grab our cabbage, grab some filling, and roll it up nicely. Any bits that fall out, just feel free to pop it back inside. Now we're gonna sear them, get some color on them. Okay. It looks actually good. We made our own dipping sauce, just soy sauce, vinegar, chili crisp, sesame seeds, and spring onions.
Healthy cheers.
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 I'm glad we read the captions and added the extra seasoning. This has depth. This actually tastes like a dumpling filling because of that sesame oil. Well seasoned. Our dipping sauce, can I just say, is on point. Who made this dipping sauce?
But the filling is really good. Very seasoned.
I think it's better than a normal dumpling. I like the crunch. And it's healthier, right?
It's healthier, yeah, it's cabbage.
It's satisfying. I get it now. I get why she said it was satisfying.
Yeah.
Tastes good. Tastes like
Yeah.
a hearty, healthy meal.
Double thumbs up. This one's good.
So good. Okay, definitely try this one, but make sure you read the captions and like season it with all the other stuff, not just soy sauce. I like this, then the macas, and then the fruit mochi, and then the cheese.
Yeah, I think we're on the same par.
Where? Yeah.
I really do like the macas one though. But I feel like that one's a bit heavy.
This one tastes healthy.
This one tastes healthy. This one makes me feel a little bit better.
And it's easier to make. That is it to our health episode. Let us know if you guys want to see more. I think we got to do a dedicated wrap episode.
Yes. Not the chia seed wrap.
No chia seeds.
Actual wrap.
Actual hearty, delicious
I love
wrap.
that.
Thumb this video if you want to see it. If you want to see more kitchen chaos, click the video down below. As always, subscribe to our channels. Because Zen has a channel too. Don't forget to thumb this video. And we shall speak to you guys next time.
Bye!